Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This well kept and beautiful adorned Greater Portmore home is waiting for you. Two bedrooms, two bathrooms. The large balcony with a view of St. Catherine Mountains adds so much to this beauty. All rooms have AC and there is a water heater and water tank. Security cameras are also in place. In love with the furniture and appliances? These are being offered at a discounted rate with the home. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, fully walled, central location, easy access, family oriented, low maintenance yard, and level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 18 million or US 117,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.